Welcome to GOYUM Screw Press. Here is a glimpse of GOYUM, 60 tons per day soybean oil extraction unit, with extruder, and 500 kilograms per hour, soya chunks line, proudly installed in Zambia. Here you can see the seed storage warehouse, where soybean are stored before processing. The process begins with the seed cleaning section. The soybean enters the rotary drum sieve via elevator to pre-clean the soybean. The soybean are lifted through a bucket elevator to the rotary magnet, which automatically removes metallic impurities. Now, the soybeans are transported to another bucket elevator, and then to the vibrating screens, which separate out trash and contaminants from the seeds. The cleaned seeds are then sent to the destoner, which separates soybean and stones. The cleaned soybean now enters the cracking section. The cracker is designed to costly disintegrate the seeds. Here you can see soybean pass through an elevator with overhead conveyor to extrusion section. The soybean are fed into loading hopper of extruder, where they are heated to 150 degrees Celsius to kill bacteria and reduce anti-nutrients. The finished product full-fat soya is then moved to mechanical press using a screw feeder. The product is squeezed in the oil press, forcing oil out through gaps between the cage bars and is conveyed to the oil filtration section. The soya cake is transferred to cake grinding section. The crude oil is pumped to filter press for the filtration and it's sent to storage. The pressed cake is first ground into powder by the cake breaker. This powder is then moved to a cake cooler, where it is stirred by a rotating tumbler and cooled by cold air from a blower. Finally, the cooled powder is stored in a hopper, and it is now ready to be used packaged or stored. Additionally, the soya meal can be further processed to make soya chunks. The meal is conditioned in conditioner using steam followed by extrusion in GOYUM soya chunks extruder. The extruded chunks are cut using cutter to desired size. Once cooled, the chunks are ready for packaging. Here you can see the steam boiler which provides steam for the chunks line. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get new video updates.